Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So here we are still hovering around that 1515 level, that level which was so important to be held at as support. Unfortunately, as we dropped below this level, it is getting more and more likely that we are actually heading further down. Yes, we recovered from there, but we invalidated it. So it basically invalidated our at least the most likely ABC structure that we had on the chart here, and I'm beginning to believe that we're heading down straight away. I told you before, a wave B is very unreliable. No guarantee we're actually getting into this 1770 to 1920 area. I said if you want to trade a wave B, use additional stuff in addition to the Elliott Waves. Ideally, you are a very skilled trader if you trade a wave B, because it's a corrective wave. And if you look at how this wave B evolved, hundreds of people or thousands of people got caught out here. Yeah, guaranteed you get caught out here. Look at these strong retracements, these sudden drops, these overlaps, these lower lows. You know, it is extremely difficult. It's not a clear trend, so a wave B is very difficult. Of course, we talked about this ascending wedge here. A drop below an ascending wedge always could be considered bearish. Yeah, this is another situation here that we have on the chart, that we couldn't get through the 50-day moving average that I called out as resistance as well. Found resistance here, here, and here. Didn't even get to the 1720 level. That would have been at least here, or 1710, this key resistance up here. So yeah, it could be over already, this movement to the upside, and we could be heading down already. You know about this because we talked about the scenario that would unfold with the highest likelihood if we lose the 1515 level, and we lost it overnight. Overall, I still need to bring it into the main chart here, this alternative scenario, but we talk about that on the alternative chart, but this has become the primary now. But overall, just to make everybody aware, I'm still of the view that this here was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse in a wave 1, and that we're now in this wave 2. However, this substructure is going to evolve. I think we're going to land lower. My view is that we're going to land between 1130 and 1330. You know, again, always plus minus a few dollars, because there are different exchanges, different FIB levels, and so on, with slight inaccuracies. Always depending on one exchange, we might have reached here the 2030 level. On another exchange, 2035. That always messes around with the FIB levels a little bit. But overall, that should be the region. Yes, we can go lower also in a wave 2, all the way down to $1,000. Overall, Ethereum looks much stronger than Bitcoin. Yeah, I've said that throughout. It is one of the strongest charts we have at the moment. If that's related to the merge or not, that doesn't really matter. Yeah, we're looking at the technical side of things here. We talk about support, resistance, the Elliott Waves, and so on. Everything that happens fundamentally should be priced in to this chart already. It should be priced in. You know, all the fundamentals you should find in the chart already. I can't answer you if we are going to go up before the merge or after the merge, because timing is extremely difficult when using the Elliott Waves. It's more of a guess that you would, an assumption, but it wouldn't be any, it would just be a subjective bias. I don't know. Yeah, I think we could very well go down here now into this wave C area, and then possibly after the merge start to go up. Yeah, a lot of the merge might have already been priced in here. A lot of profit taking already took place. But yeah, what is going to unfold now, and that is my view here still unchanged from the previous video, and I still need to bring this scenario into the main chart, which I'm going to do later today. But the view here is that we came down in a wave W, we moved up in a wave X, that might have peaked, and then we're coming down in the wave Y now. Here, yeah, why could the wave X already have peaked? Basically because we've done the wave A, we've done the wave B, and in the wave C we've done a 5-wave move. That's fine, it was only a short one, but fine. And now we also have 5 waves down. Now that could either indicate that in the wave Y, which is a 3-wave move ABC, that in the wave Y we have now already seen only the first wave of a wave A, because the wave A will be a 5-wave move. So the wave Y should actually be here. So that's one possibility, that we have only seen the wave 1 of a wave A of a wave Y. But I think this would actually come down quite a lot. So I'm going to change this now. My view is now that we probably already have seen the low here of the wave A, because otherwise you're landing really, really low. But we'll see. We don't know that yet exactly. But primary expectation would now to see a retracement, yeah, here in a wave B. This wave B would normally unfold into the region of the 38.2% fib level to the 50%. So into the region between 1,567 to 1,590, and would ideally end below the wave 4 or close to the end of the wave 4 of the lesser degree. So here 1590 would be an ideal level, yeah, between that area basically 1567 and 1590. From here we would then come down in a wave C. So this is what I would go with now. That wave 5 here could of course extend down a little bit lower, yeah, but we would then need to be able to count 5 waves. We don't, at the moment it's looking like we're making a higher low here, but we need to see. As you know, for Bitcoin I do expect another small dip at least. Need to see how Ethereum is going to react to that. But this is based on probabilities. Now for me the most likely wave count, retracement in a wave B, and then we could come down in the wave C. Without a problem we could then reach that 1330 level that I mentioned here, yeah. Why? Because if we now take the Fibonacci extensions and say, all right, target wave A length, let's say we go to 1590, then a target for the wave C would be the 1.618 extension at $1,279. Yeah. So just to give you some possibilities here. Now, if the wave B is very short, that could come down a bit lower, and so on and so on. And we'll see. I'll keep you updated. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.